minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Controversy Closet, you guys. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as you already tell by the title, this is going to be another hair review. So I'm just going to jump right into the video and show you guys the wig that I got. So this is the hair. It is by, sorry because my ring light, it's by Melted Hairline. It is a lace front wig. Sorry, this is by Outre. Sorry, this is the first time I've actually tried this, like this hair line, the brand, you know what I'm saying. So it's by Outre, but it's the first time I tried Melted Hairline by them. So it is a front, a lace front wig. It was on sale. So check out the price, half off, okay? I don't think I've ever bought a wig at the hair store half off. So this wig is called MIKAELLA. Just try to pull up the card for you guys. It's MIKAELLA. It's in color cinnamon wine. So this is the first time I actually didn't even like look at the hair. We're gonna see it together. So I'm about to take this hair out the pack so we can see it together. All right, you guys. So here is the wig out of the pack, and it's looking good. It's a middle part wig. It does have the baby hairs included. It does say that it's already like pre-plucked. I should just be able to take it out the pack, cut off the lace, and put it on my head. And you guys already know I don't really like to like glue it down, so that's not the plan. I'm just gonna add my concealer like I normally do, and it is a transparent HD lace, and it is heat resistant up to 400. You could I guess like define the curls if that's what you wanted to do. So I am going to cut the lace off and put it on and then come back on camera and show you guys. All right, you guys, this is not the best angle, but I just wanted to show you guys as I'm doing it. So I cut some lace off on the side. It's very full at the front, so I cut some lace off at the side. I'm not gonna do that side because let me tell you why. It's already time for me to go. Okay, this is the best I can get my camera right now because it is time for me to go already. So I just wanted to show you guys like what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So I flipped it over. So it is a middle part, but I'm not really liking the middle part. And I feel like it kind of has a hump right here because my braids. So I'm more of a side part girl anyway. So I just kind of threw that piece over and just hide in like the part. I'm like, this is so cute. And then I cut off the side. There was like extra lace. Do you guys know for the longest, I didn't know you could just cut the lace off on the side. Like if it's like hanging over your ear, like just cut it off. I don't know. I don't know why I never thought of that. So I just cut the little piece off so I could like tuck it behind my ear. As you can see, there's like a little piece of lace here, but I don't want to mess around with it too much because like I got to go. I need to work on my time sometimes. Well, it's not even that. I just thought literally I was gonna put it on my head and go. So I had to glue down the side right here. I had put some glue, some bow hold just right here and right here because it is all lace at the front and it doesn't stay down on its own. So I'm gonna finish just laying it down, going back on camera to show you guys like, well, I'm on camera, but you know, sit back down and just show you guys the finishing look, and then I'm gonna head out because I got to go. All right, you guys. I'm about to take this off and see what it is giving. So I probably just had it wrapped up for like maybe like 20 minutes went by because that's all the time that I got. And then I just like trimmed this down a little bit. But what I showed you guys in the last clip is just all that I did. I did nothing else. Baby, give it. It's given. I feel like where is it? I can't see it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. So cute. And to keep this little part in place, I'm just gonna Ooh, you gotta go forward. Just wrap it in the curls so they kind of like stay together. Yeah, that's the look. So are you guys feeling it? It's giving Little Mermaid. Wait, can you see the back? I'm trying to turn for ya. But I love the color. I think it's so cute. So yes, you guys, go get you a good little Synthetica. MIKAELLA. Oh, I'm just knocking this whole camera over. For $50, not bad at all. So I am ready for tonight. So you guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until the next one.